Aloha everybody, Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner of NextHome Paradise Realty up in beautiful Waimea today, bringing you another property tour. Today, we're checking out a listing by Klug of Hapuna Realty. Big thank you to her for allowing me to bring this awesome listing to you. We're in Waimea Parkside, got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-level home, 10,000 square feet of living area, built in 2016. Up in Waimea, we've got 2,000 foot elevation up here. Nice, clear skies today. Gorgeous and blue. This one is being offered at 1.875. You can see we got our metal roof, plantation style, board and batten on the top. And you got your 2-car garage here in the back. Here on this little side street off Lindsay Road. Good rock wall work outside. We see our propane tank, so that's nice to know we got some gas in here. That's not super common in Hawaii, believe it or not, because we don't have natural gas lines laid. So the thing people like about it up here is it's definitely quieter up in Waimea, but it's a healthy community. A lot of long time residents up here, not as much turnover as you have on other parts of the island. This is Paniolo country. Parker Ranch, once the largest ranch in the United States under single ownership, is out here. And let's take a look at this home. It is in great shape. I'll get you inside and tell you my 3 favorite things about the property. So one of the things I immediately like about this home is how everything is in its place. Nice wide door. We have this large screen, plenty of airflow allowed to come right through. Hey guys, you see me there in the mirror. So we got 2 bedrooms downstairs, owner's bedroom upstairs, really well done. Right off the bat, we're seeing some things that we like. We like these high flat baseboards. Looks like about 6-inch baseboards on that. And then I like how they have the board and batten down here. Really, really sharp. We got this gorgeous wood flooring. And look at the job they've done trimming around the doorways here. Even with the header crown rail, crown molding, recessed lighting. So I like the job that they've done on this. Really nice, clean lines. It looks outstanding. Let's change the zoom on our camera here. We're a little bit wide. There we go. So first bedroom downstairs. This is a king-size bed, and you can tell we have a ton of space. This is a very large bedroom, and this is not the owner's suite. Lots of light coming in here. We got our crown molding, recessed lights. Just look at the work they did here around these windows. I know this is pretty common on the mainland for a lot of you guys, but we're not seeing this kind of stuff out here very often. So really good job on this. I mean, plenty of room. Look at that. They've got a little desk set up here. Well, not even little, it's a good sized desk set up here. And just plenty of space. They got big furniture, and you still feel like you have a lot of room in here because you do. Large walk-in closet. And then back out, we have over here under our stairway going up, we have some storage. And then to our left, we have this bathroom. So we got, looks like travertine down below. Nice tight grout lines. Gorgeous granite countertops here. And they got that layered. And then large, I like the framing they've done around here on this large mirror. So it's the same framing that you're seeing around the door. So we're continuing that line. It looks like you might at first blush think that was sheetrock, but you can see that's 1x4 going all the way around, framing that really well. And even from the washroom to the shower, doing a good job on that. Tile all the way up to the top. And it looks like they did use the rounded tiles here instead of just a flat tile. Like this piece right here, you know, it's a sharp 90. Now they may have grinded that, but it looks like it was a curved piece that's supposed to go there, kind of like we have down here on the bottom. So a really good job on that. And then we come out, down 2 steps, we have our other bedroom. We got 2 twins set up here. Of course, you can do this with the king, queen. You got plenty of space. You can see we got space on the other side of the twin bed. Nice high windows looking out to the back. So you could easily set this up as another king if you wanted to. A lot of flexibility in this room. We got our closet over there. And then we come down here a little bit. Here, I'm going to get to that in a second if you haven't figured out what that is. Great utility, tons of storage, nice good sized utility sink, front loading washer and dryer. And then here, a couple more steps down to your 2-car garage that we saw from outside. And then behind me, because the kitchen and the living area and the owner's bedroom are upstairs, you come down here, you got your groceries to unload. And I think there's probably a way to hit it with the button, but we have a dumbwaiter in here to carry things up and shuttle them up for you. So super nice on that. There we go. Got our security system. Look at this nice, wide, thick post here on this staircase. So I love how everything in here is really bold. And so look at the ceiling work. So you're seeing up there, we got coffered ceilings. Boy, I can count on one hand the number of coffered ceilings I've seen here in Hawaii. It's a real treat to get to see that. They've got a gorgeous light up here in this entryway right there. And look at all those windows just letting in so much light. Looks great. So we've got coffered ceilings up here in our dining room. Plenty of space. They have a smaller table set up here, but you could easily fit a 6 or 8 person table. So they even have this over here. You take this out, you get an even larger table. So a ton of space in here. We have our central AC for the days where it gets warm. And then again, just high ceilings, crown molded, lots of windows. The work around the windows are great. The coffered ceilings over there in the living room as well. Fireplace, which you will use. Yes, you can have a usable fireplace here in Hawaii, especially when you're up here at 2,000 foot. It's nice and comfortable. And then absolutely beautiful kitchen in here. So an excellent island with plenty of space there. They got 2 chairs and 2 sort of bar stool type seats there, nested in there perfectly. So you could have 4 there for your breakfast. In these gorgeous white shaker cabinets with the elegantly simple pulls on here. It really goes with the consistent clean lines and bold woodworking that we've seen throughout the home. And you got this wainscoting on the ceiling. I think that's starting to come out. There you go. They've really done a really nice job here. I really like how they put these together. And do our cabinet check. There we go. Dovetail joints. Excellent soft close. Like it. And you know, I love these prep sinks over here with the push button disposer. And then you have your other sink over here with another disposer there. Stainless steel dishwasher. Subway tile backsplash, absolutely perfect. Stainless steel vent hood above the oven, and we got a gas oven here. You saw that propane tank downstairs. A little spot for our toaster. And then over here, let me come around this way. We have our Whirlpool refrigerator, and we see that same granite that we saw downstairs in that bathroom. Looks absolutely gorgeous. And then proceeding on, here's the top of our dumbwaiter right here in the kitchen. So there you go, just unload the groceries One person takes them out of the car, puts them in. Another person's up here, loading them up onto the island, putting everything away. Perfect setup. And then in here to the owner's bedroom. Again, we see our nice one. There's so many windows in this home. There's so much natural light coming in. You have all these recessed lighting pieces all around. Wonderful ceiling treatments in every room. The recessed lighting is great, but you have so much natural light. It's just, it feels really good. We're seeing more of the same, just incredible architecture that they've done in here. You know, so many times here in Hawaii, we see homes when builders build. So this is a builder-made home. They did a number of these homes in here. A lot of times they just go quick and not super high quality. This is not one of those. And then in here to the owner's bathroom, see the same shaker cabinets. I like what they did right there in the middle. Excellent. I like that space. And then dual sinks with our mirrors. Look at that classic tub. I like that look. And then we have our shower over here. Travertine all the way up to the ceiling. Good job. We got our door for our bathroom right here behind us. Okay. Wow. My 3 favorite things about this one. There's a lot that I like. Let's see. I'm going to say number 1 is the coffered ceilings, because that's not something that we see very often here. It's extremely rare, and it's nice when you get to see something unique. I really just enjoy the styling of it. My number 2 favorite thing is just the overall trim work that they've done throughout this home. Really is upgraded over a lot of what we've seen for quite a while now. Even in our resort style homes, which are great, they don't have quite this look. And if this is a look you dig, you're not going to find it in a lot of other places. So that's something I really like about it. I think that's probably one of my favorite things. What's number 3? This is where you got to get kind of picky, because like I said, there is so much to like in here. I think my 3rd favorite thing on this one, I'm coming back out to the street, as you can tell. We're getting late in the day here, and it's kind of getting to that golden hour where everything looks great. My 3rd favorite thing is you're up here in the hills of Waimea, where it is just beautiful. Not far from Waipio Valley behind us. You can see, I can't remember the name, Kohala Watershed, I think is what it's called, which kind of starts back there in the woods. Goes towards Waipio Valley all the way to Pololu. I think that's my 3rd favorite thing, is just being up here in the beauty of Waimea. A lot of people don't think about Waimea. You know, it's not by the beaches or anything like that. You're 20 minutes from the Hapuna beach and Mauna Kea and stuff like that, but it is still super awesome. That's probably my 3rd favorite thing. I'm walking around the long way to show you, if I can get into it, one last thing from the backyard. I probably should have hit it from the other side. But, let's see. Here we are. This nice little courtyard area they have set up in the back here, all the way up to the front. There we go. Excellent construction. You move right into this thing, bring your furniture, and you are set up. You're living this Waimea country life and loving it. All right. Click like and subscribe. See you again real soon. Thanks, guys. Aloha.